Hey, what's up guys? I'm the Lobby and today I'm gonna show you how to install 7-Zip, which is a program to extract files and compress files. With that being said, let's dive into it. Let's go. So guys, the first thing you're gonna want to do is go on Google and type 7-Zip like that, and go on the original website. And once you are inside the website, you're gonna see that there are multiple downloads. You gotta download the one compatible with your system. To see which system you got, guys, the only thing you gotta do is go in the search bar, type about, and click over here in the infos. And once you're here, guys, you go here and, well, I have it, it's in Italian for me because I'm Italian, but you're gonna see system type. And over here is gonna say, in my case, is 64-bit x64. And so just check it over here and make sure you download the compatible version with it. In my case is, as we said, 64-bit x64. So we're gonna click on download. And once the download is finished, we're gonna click on install, and close. And with that being said, guys, we installed correctly 7-Zip.
Nice.
Let's now see if it actually works. To compress files, guys, what you're gonna do is right click on the file you want to compress, and over here is gonna say add to, in my case it's PC specs, that's the name of the file, .zip, like that. So if you click here, bam, that's how you compress a file. And to extract it instead is the same exact thing. Whenever you download a file that is zipped, the only thing you're gonna do is click on extract here. Again, my system is in Italian, but yours is gonna be in your language. So just click on extract here, and yeah, here is gonna ask to replace, since I have already the file, but whatever, I'm gonna replace it. And boom, that was pretty much it. So guys, that's how you install 7-Zip for Windows. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. It was a super short one and easy one. If you did like it, don't forget to smash a like and subscribe, because that definitely helps me out. And with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Take it easy, fam. Peace, and I'm out.